In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, hotels, a nearby attraction, and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. If we talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is outstanding. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book more, you can reach out to the link provided in the description. For details or new reviews, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem with this property, you can tell us by commenting. Already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our